Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a piece of kitchen hardware that prioritizes reliability and simplicity over the flashy touch-sensitive panels that seem to be everywhere lately. If you have been searching for a no-nonsense cooking solution, the 21-inch double-electric cooktop might just be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Let us start with the performance. This unit packs a punch with 3,700 watts of total power. You get two distinct zones, a 1200-watt burner and a beefy 2,500-watt burner, which gives you plenty of room to boil water quickly or simmer delicate sauces. Because it uses far-infrared heating technology, it is incredibly efficient at transferring heat directly to your cookware. It is worth mentioning that this is a hard-wired 220 to 240-volt appliance. You will need a professional electrician to handle the installation, but once it is in, it feels like a permanent, robust part of your culinary workstation. What I personally love about this model is the design choice to stick with mechanical knob controls. In an era of finicky touch sensors that fail when your hands are wet or greasy, these tactile knobs are a breath of fresh air. They offer 9 distinct power levels for each burner. This level of granular control is perfect for everything from high-heat stir-frying to gentle roasting. This is also a fantastic choice for elderly users or anyone who finds modern glass interface displays difficult to read or navigate. The interface is intuitive, visible, and feels solid. Safety is another high priority here. The cooktop is ETL and UL approved and features built-in overheating protection. Since it functions through infrared heating, it produces zero electromagnetic radiation, making it a safe choice for everyone in the home, including pregnant women. Plus, it includes a smart keep warm feature, which is a lifesaver when you are juggling multiple dishes and want to keep your food at a consistent temperature without drying it out. When it comes to versatility, this unit really shines. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic cookware, this ceramic surface is compatible with almost any material. Whether you use aluminum, copper, cast iron, or stainless steel, you are good to go. Cleanup is equally straightforward. The sleek glass surface just needs a quick wipe down with a damp cloth once it has cooled off. Taking a look at the pros and cons, the biggest advantage is definitely the combination of high power and the physical knob interface. It is durable, safe, and works with all your existing pots and pans. On the downside, the requirement for a hard-wired 220-volt connection means this is not a plug-and-play device for standard wall outlets, so you definitely need to plan for professional installation. Overall, if you are looking for a powerful, reliable, and user-friendly cooktop that removes the frustration of digital menus and picky cookware requirements, this is a top-tier contender. It brings professional utility into a home kitchen setting with a design that is built to last. If you want to check out the current pricing or see more technical specifications, link in the description.